Namaste everyone. I'm Shashma Patra and I'm here at the Puri beach. So we all YouTubers have collaborated and many big YouTubers also like Mr. Beast and MKBHD and many other YouTubers like Physics Girl, Veritasium, and everyone has been combined and collaborate for this video. This video is about the Team C, and in this Team C what we are going to show is that a lot of non-biodegradable plastics and other products are affecting marine life and aquatic plants, which are also not good for us. So in this video we are going to clean this entire beach and we will see how much products we got. But surprisingly this Puri beach have very less plastic, as I can see everywhere. So there I guess the municipal corporation here and other people are cooperating very well and cleaning up the beach, but still I can see there are some garbage, and today we are going to pick it up and let's see how much is it. So actually what has happened that the garbage has been scattered everywhere, so it looks like there is less garbage, but actually there is more than what we think of. The initiative of this Team C is to clean up 50 million pound of garbage which is going inside the sea, which is harmful for marine life and aquatic life. And for that we are just shooting this video, and we will check how much waste can we collect here. So the waste is actually scattered everywhere, but I think there is more than one bag of garbage here. So let's see how much garbage can we collect. And please go check the link is in description of Team C so that you can support them and fund them. The target is $50 million, and once we have once we have fulfilled that $50 million target, then we can start an initiative to clean the deeper levels of the sea. Hence we can clean the entire ocean, not obviously entire ocean but most of it, and it will be better for everyone, also for our future generations. So we have here some garbage bags and some gloves to protect myself from the garbage bad materials that can go inside my body. So, and now we will collect it. सो भाई आपण जो आपण देखो पूरी बीचटा डिवाइडेड अच्छे, सेपटा पूरा क्लीन अच्छे बट एपटे गंधा बंधा पड़ी, तो आपण कौन धारणा ता ऊपर?
धारणा ए जे सेटा बर्तमान प्राइवेट जो कहती मैंने टिकट काटिक सेपटू जावाक पड़ी। आदि साधारण लोक किए धनी अच्छी किए गरीब अच्छी, किए टिकट काटिक सेपटू जापर किए न जापर, जो मैंने साधारण पीपुल यपटे ही सब गाधागाधी कर सेपट जो रेयर पीपुल जाऊँच से नीट एंड क्लीन अच्छे जेहेतु से पैसा देकी
तो एपटा एमती सफा हवा दरकार कि?
हाँ, जदि आम जनसाधारण सब सचेतन हवा, आवर्जना ये न पकई डस्टबिन व्यवहार करवा, तो सी निश्चित सचेतन हो पार कि सफा सुतरा भी रही पार।
कारण आप देखो ये बहुत सारा एमती डस्टबिन रोचे किंतु लोक यूज
कर मेंटालिटी आम लोक चेंज करवा दरकार। सेपटे एमती क्लीन रहा पैसा दिखाते आम जनसाधारण आम बेसी यहाँ यूज करुचे, जेहेतु यहाँ आम निजे गोटे भी अलिया होना कहीं निजे डस्टबिन यूज कर पकेवा दरकार।
आज्ञा, thank you. So as you can see, I already have collected garbage of one bag in just like 15 minutes. So guess how much garbage will be there in the entire beach, and I'm just alone, and so collecting garbage is a very tough deal for me. So if people would like to help us, please help, like collecting all the garbage and throw it in the dustbin. Let's get continue with the video. So already we have to filled one bag, and this is the second bag we are going to fill. And the area we covered is approximately 15 foot, but the Puri beach is almost 7 kilometers long. So it would be humanly impossible for me to collect all this garbage because I'm only one who is collecting. Let's see how much we can collect. When I said that there was negligible garbage on the beach, I was very wrong at that point, because although my eyes were looking at a pile of garbage, I wasn't able to find it, and so was other people too. But when I started collecting the garbage, I saw that there is a lot of garbage in a small area. The Puri beach is 7 kilometers long. Just think how much garbage will be there. I just have a rough estimation of that value. So if I would have cleaned the entire beach, I would have collected of almost 3062 medium-sized bags, and we don't know whether there are more garbage, as there will be garbage on the deeper level also. I've just collected it from the surface, so there's too much actually garbage around us. So be prepared for the worst, but if you don't want to get the worst, then help us. Link is in description, go check it out. Donate Team C's, and make your life better, and also for the aquatic lives and plants. Thank you.